Hello friends, so here we'll see how to create a WhatsApp group without really having to add any contact. So here first let us open our WhatsApp. After I do that, you can see there is something called three dots which will be available in the topmost right side corner of your WhatsApp. Just press that, and here the first option, as you can see, is new group. So just press on new group, and it will ask you to add participants for new group. Well, here is the trick. You have to add at least one participant at the start. So for example, your own other WhatsApp number, or maybe a very close friend of yours, or one of your family WhatsApp number, you can add it. For example, I'm adding somebody very close here. So I have added one person. No need to go further. This one person is enough to create a group. So I'll just move forward. You have to press this arrow mark here, over here. So I'll press this, and here it will ask you to type a group name. For example, for this video, I'll just write infotainment, my channel name. So here it is OK, and I'll press OK over here. Okay. Sometimes many people would have set in their WhatsApp settings that you cannot add them directly into any group. So you have to like ask them privately or invite them privately to join this group. So this person, my friend, has actually made this particular setting, so I am not able to make him directly join this group. So I'll just press cancel, and even if it is he was not able to join, a group has been created, as you can see. So this is also a trick here. Just add a person who has not enabled any setting that he could be added automatically to any group. So if he has these settings in his WhatsApp number, then it is very easy to create a group without even having to add that person in that group, because anyway it will directly, it will not make him join the group. It will ask whether to send him an invite or not. Then here at that point you can simply cancel. So by this way you can obviously create a group without adding somebody. So here you can see in my group infotainment, I have just one participant, that is me. That's it. So this is how you create a group without adding any contacts. So friends, this is so easy. I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.